The term medical condition is scary by itself, but what happens when even the doctor hasn't heard of it? Well, brace yourself as we count down our top 5 strangest medical conditions ever heard of. At number 1 is the Cotard's delusion, also known as the Walking Dead syndrome. This seems like a term taken right out from the Walking Dead series. But people who suffer from this condition believe that they are missing body parts such as the brain or are actually dead. This disorder occurs because there is a dysfunction in the areas in the brain responsible for recognizing emotions and faces, including their own. This leads to a complete emotional detachment and removes any sense of personal identity when looking at their bodies. The only known cure for it is electroconvulsive therapy, which has worked better in some cases. At number 2 is Epidermodysplasia Verruciformis. This disease causes unnatural tree bark-like growth on a person's skin. Of course, it isn't tree bark, but are warts that worsen by exposure to sunlight. While there is no cure, there are, however, a few treatments available. Coming in at number 3 is the vampire syndrome. If y'all are vampire fans, then this might sound pretty interesting. Around 1 in 1 million people suffer from Xeroderma pigmentosum. These people are extremely sensitive to sunlight and UV rays. Slight exposure may cause extreme sunburn and the breakdown of the skin, while long exposure may even cause skin cancer. Xeroderma pigmentosum is caused by a rare recessive mutation of the nucleotide excision repair enzymes. The best prevention from damage is merely staying completely out of the sunlight, just like a vampire. At number 4 is the alien hand syndrome. The phrase, "the right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing," is actually literally true for some people. People who suffer from this condition literally don't know what their one hand is doing. This is usually caused due to a brain injury or surgical severing of the corpus callosum. As of now, there is no known cure for this condition. And last but not least is the foreign accent syndrome. While some accents can reveal a lot about a person's residence, there are some people who develop a condition that causes them to uncontrollably speak in a foreign accent, even if they have never visited that area before. Often several types of accents can be used at different times, or maybe even blended in together. This is usually caused due to side effects following stroke or other brain injuries. For more strange and weird facts, make sure to subscribe to our channel.